evening, everyone, to my respected chairperson and all of my fellows. So today the topic that is mooted for this day, that is, don't judge a book by its cover. And it's very true, because we have a book, and definitely the book has a cover. And generally what happens in our daily life or in our practical life, the people, they are judging a book by its cover. Whenever we are going to purchase something, some book or some clothes or some daily necessities, we are for seeing the packages and the covers of it. So that's why the advertisement, for the business purpose or to increase the sale of a company, the companies, they are advertise the product by the cover. They are doing the packages very well. Why? Because people.
The topic which has been given to me, rather, chosen, reels have taken over the real life. It's absolutely true. We have to raise up seeing the particular topic. The first thing, if you think about the social media, if you scrolling on Instagram, when you get to see a reels after reels, that is very much important for us to go through, rather than looking at your own life. What other people are doing, how they are enjoying themselves. But there is another way of seeing it too. That is, on the face of this earth, every individual, I repeat, every individual is depending. He's wearing a mask, put on a mask on his face, on his visage. Why? They have to act. They have to act according to the person who is standing next to him, or with whom he is exchanging his or her words. So, everybody, so today my topic is social customs or ways to thrive. See, we are living in the 21st century where AI plays a very significant role, and it has it into our brain, I would say, rather. But the fact is that even then, whether the social customs are ways to time or not, that is rather controversial. Especially these days, when society is so very much modern. The fact is that previously there was a topic that in order to enjoy the food, we should not forget the root. The topic is also to an extent related to that, because social customs are not newly made. People have been practicing these customs or rituals throughout ages, since the time immemorial, and we have been following the same. But in fact, everybody is not. People are also raising a lot of issues, a lot of questions, whether they are wasted time or not. See, we spend a lot of time on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and also on Instagram, and we upload a lot of videos. But then,
person is, or rather, if you consider him as an introvert, he can learn in the best way because he listens to you, and when he listens to you, whatever you have said, whatever the minor details, whatever the tiny details you have mentioned, he captures, and he can think because his brain is working fast. Now talk about the multitasking. Silence is the key to success. So now talk about the multitasking. Say for example, if you are going to technical lines, even like when you are working two parallel threads on a particular machine, your machine gets slow. But whenever you are working on a single thread, that is in a single operation, then your machine gets faster. It is from the computer science I have told. Now similarly with our brain also, if you are working in a two ways, like first of all you are intercepting and then also you are speaking. In this case, your interception power gets